Reroute the fuselage assembly to Station 4.
We're seeing minimal taper on the thicker sections right within the new profile specs.
The uniformity on this section is excellent.
All right, hold it there.
A little to the left.
Perfect, bring her down.
Check the alignment on the mid-fuselage frame here.
Reading is stable at 0.05. We're clear.
Alignment on Station 47 is reading green.
Confirmed, surface integrity is nominal.
Okay, easy now, bring it down 5 millimeters. Clear on the left. Watch the leading edge.
I'm seeing a slight deviation here.
Okay, let me adjust the fixture tension on the forward spar.
The alignment verification is complete. We have perfect straightness.
Data logged. The structure is cleared for the next phase.
Laser scan shows green across the seam.
Torque settings are within tolerance.
The audio is characterized by the sounds of a busy industrial environment. There is a constant presence of tool operation.
Connection secured and torque to specifications.
Verified. The articulation is smooth. Moving to the next segment.
Check the coupling clearance here.
Looks good according to the schematic.
We are approaching final position, confirming alignment sequence complete.
Roger that. Crank the operator, take it up slowly.
Make sure that bundle is separated correctly.
Got it. Securing the clamp now.
Fastener secured.
Verified on module 7. All green.
Easy on the hoist. Watch your alignment pins on Station 4.
Coming down slowly. We have green indicators.
Check the alignment on the forward mount.
It's within tolerance. Go ahead and secure it.
Check the forward sensor array readings.
Reading confirmed. All parameters stabilized.
Falcon 22, section 4.1. The paint thickness is marginal here.
Understood. I'll flag this for review.
Torque set to 25 inch-pounds. Confirm alignment.
Confirmed on section 4, looks good.
Easy now, clear the hydraulic lines. A little more to the left. Perfect, secure the forward mounts.
The torque on the starboard interface is confirmed.
Okay, clearance is nominal. Logging the data now.
We need another ½ degree on the pitch. Secure the lower bolts first.
Copy that. Securing the lower assembly now.
Bring it down another 5 centimeters.
Got it. Got it. Hinge point is aligned.
Secure the fixture. Initiating flapper on sweep, 5 degrees up.
5 degrees acknowledged. Hinge movement is smooth.
Is the manifold aligned?
Almost. Hold it steady while I start the bolts.
Right here, serial number 9. I see it. The gap is within limits.
Confirm hydraulic pressure on station 4.
Pressure is nominal, Commander.
The gear sequence is complete.
Actuator response looks nominal.
Data confirms green status.
The resonance is peaking at the leading edge.
We need to throttle back the hydraulics before we exceed the structural limit.
Airflow looks good on the primary loop.
Confirmed. Heat exchange rates are nominal.
Throttle quadrant movement is smooth, detent secure. Check the left MFD response.
Confirmed. Interface response nominal. Documenting configuration status.
The audio is dominated by the sounds of a busy factory floor, featuring the consistent hum of machinery and vent.
Connectors locked. Affirmative. Removing chocks now. We are clear to move. Brakes engaging smoothly. Confirm. Tracking nominal at 5 knots.
Strut compression is within tolerance at 90% load. Data confirms alignment is holding steady. We are good to proceed.
Surface is reaching full deflection now.
Confirmed. Data looks nominal. Returning to neutral.
Roger that. Test complete.
Sure. The stress test results on the main gear actuator look nominal.
Check the vibration data from the left access panel, though.
We've completed the final adjustments on the port side array.
Good. The dimensional scan is starting now. Ensure the laser alignment holds steady.
We need to confirm the readings on this section here.
The data aligns with the uniformity requirements. It looks good.
Electrical network stability is confirmed across all phases.
Roger that. Roger that. Final system integrity check initiated.
The starboard gear articulation looks smooth.
Acknowledged. Check the pressure on auxiliary line 3.
All systems green on the flight control check. Copy that.
Mission management confirms nominal response times.
Integrated display secure. Confirmed. Side panels locked. Seat harness. Checked.
Alignment is confirmed, flush against the contour. We are within tolerance.
Noted. Final verification passed.
Ensure the weapons bay doors cycle smoothly.
Copy.
All clear, steady as she goes. We have positive clearance on the tail. Welcome to the flight line. Initiating brake test sequence. Deceleration is steady. Test complete. Results look good from here.
Look at the abrasion on the lower cylinder. That wasn't there before.
Copy that. Surface integrity check initiated.
Check the alignment on this starboard aileron. Verify the torque on the hinge bolts.
Confirmed. All green on the post-runway check.
Check the frequency spike at marker 42. I see it. It correlates with the data from the previous test. Let's run the sequence again to be sure.
Thermal readings on the starboard engine look stable.
Confirmed. Undercarriage stress tests are within tolerance.
Slow approach. Watch your wings.
Clear on the left.
And hold it right there. Good positioning.
The schematics align perfectly with the inspection data.
Confirmed. We can finalize the sign-off now.
Hold that strap tight on your side. It's secure now, moving the lift up.
Checklist item 4 complete. Tie downs look good.
Verified. All green for transport.
Tree on your alignment. Audio features the sounds of an industrial environment with a prominent conversation involving multiple people engaged.
We've logged the final quality assurance metrics on the tablet.
Received and verified. The aircraft is officially transferred to our control.
Torque on the starboard stabilizer is set.
Copy that.
Moving to the wing brace now.
Main landing gear restraints secured and torqued.
Verified. Forward fuselage covers locked.
Confirmed. All systems nominal for transport.
All indicators are green on the latest deployment.
Logging the feedback now. The engine diagnostics look nominal.
The transcription is empty.
If we look at the aggregated data here, the cost efficiency stabilized significantly in the final 2 blocks.
That aligns with the delivery metrics we projected.
How is the alignment on the port side?
Looks good from here. Angle is perfect.
Checklist is complete. We are ready for presentation.
The documentation is complete, General. The aircraft is officially delivered.
Thank you. The F-22 Raptor is accepted on behalf of the United States Air Force.
Final confirmation sequence complete. Understood.
The F-22 manufacturing cycle is officially closed.